Hi everyone. This key here is the Passkey GM, little black and silver dot. Okay, what we're going to do is find a way to get around the security. Why are we doing this? When these cars get up there in age, these chips start to deviate and the sensor doesn't always work. So we're going to fix that problem by removing the security. And we've got our resistor, we got our multimeter set to resistance, and we're just measuring on the silver dots back, and we have 4.43K. Now we're allowed about 10%, so I've already grabbed some resistors here. So 4.43. Let's see. I don't have the exact one, so we'll use series. So we have 0.988 or 1K, which is brown, black, yellow for those playing along at home. And orange, orange, red is 3.33. Cool. And if we put them in series, which is side by side, give it a little bit of a wrap. And we're going to measure this. They should be combined. So we should be at 4.41, which is really close to what we had. Okay, so we're going to wrap the wires around here. We're going to create just a little loop. We're going to solder these wires. Okay, so there is that. Ugh, come on. And so this is a lot like my Passlock 2 video. Links up there. And this is basically because we have older vehicles that we want to have a second life, but it's not really worth putting the expensive components in for the security. Hot! Clean the coattails off. Like that. Like that. Like that. There we go. So now we have an infinite resistance. Haha, get it? Now we're going to snip here. And now for the making it ready, grab some heat shrink. There. Here's my wider stuff. Alright. Flame on. Woohoo. Now, the only reason I'm doing the double is, well, one, we're putting this under the dash. And we're just giving it a little bit of added protection. There we go. Okay, and we need 2 more pieces. Now the hard thing is finding that wire. So we're going to take it under the dash to show you what's going on. Let's go to the dash. Okay, so we're looking for this orange wire, but it could be yellow, but not this yellow. This yellow is airbags. Don't touch that. Okay, so this wire, we're going to snip and take a look. Oh man, we've got, I've already stripped, I've cut the wire here, this orange wire, and there's 2 whites inside. And we're going to do a wrap joint around here. Hopefully this works. This wire has a tendency of being stringy, so it kind of falls apart real easy. So I'm going to only solder one at a time. Even flow, look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Hot. And then do this again on both sides. Oh. Push. Ugh. There we go. Nice little wrap joint. There you go. See, that's better. Now let's flow in. Much better. Cover up the heat shrink. Okay. Flame on. There we go. So it goes, so the way it works is the white wire goes through the resistor, comes back, goes to the computer. So we're just going to fold this over like this. Or it's going to read always this chip instead of going to the switch. That's failing. So now we have a nice tape there. We just tuck this up. Nobody's the wiser. And 3 screws hold this in. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we've made another key. Let's just use this. Security light goes out. Airbag light, go out. There we go. And the original one still works. Alright, if you found this video useful, give it a like. If you want to see what I break next, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Horn doesn't work. Huh. Interesting.